It was Castleford Night, and the wind kissed my face, winter-baked. The Idaho moon was yellowish in its candid paleness, hanging from the sky, like a freshly polished garlic tooth. It was the night of the pozoles. The dragonflies of time were absent, those farmers that came from Mexico to sow seeds of hope. They listened carefully, my frayed words, in a very shaky Spanish, under the pandemic mask that imprisoned my words. The scholarship presentation about the college assistant migrant program was well received. Mrs. Rivera left her chores. She left the kitchen for a moment, then approached me. "Edgar, that girl you see over there is my daughter." Castleford Farm slept in torpor and stillness, nocturnal of wheat and barley, with its heart of corn. Outside, the wind brought the smell of ranches and dairies, the mountains' sweet serenade. Farmers in the area work hard to cultivate the land and produce crops and dreams. Quality and abundance of beans, joy, and potatoes. In the old house, we were 20 or 30, isolated town lost in the middle of nowhere. It was Castleford Night.